See, when you may have an excellent dhaba outside, you may have an excellent five-star hotel outside, you may get a tandoori roti at 5 rupees in the dhaba outside, and if you try to price the roti what you are getting in your house, it may cost more than 5 rupees, but you will not close your kitchen. Night 2 o'clock when you need food, no dhaba will serve you, but your kitchen will serve you. So what I am saying, if there are any deficiencies, if there are any lacunas, if there is any area where we want to, where there is need for improvement, the Ordnance Factory organization is always willing to listen. See, the accidents, when we talk of accidents, every accident, MOD has a very elaborate system. And every accident is investigated from all aspects. If there is a fault in ammunition, that is pointed out. If there is a fault in the weapon, that is pointed out. If it is an outlived ammunition, that is pointed out. If there was some mistake, see, you understand in the peacetime, all our army jawans, they are required training and they do the firing and training. They may be taking all the care. They may be given all the briefing. Still, there can be some mistakes. So, just because if a Maruti car meets with an accident on the road, you cannot say the Maruti car is bad. You have to see how are the road condition, how are the driver trained, and how are the traffic. So this is one example. I am not saying that ordnance factories are perfect. In my opinion, in our country, no organization is perfect. Tell me one manufacturing organization, we are inferior than that. You take 10 top leading manufacturing organization of the country in the public sector, and please do the ranking on any objective criteria, we will come in top 5. We will come out of top 10 in the country, we will come in the top 5. So what I am saying, any problem, please analyze scientifically, please analyze logically, please analyze systematically, and diagnose the problem and go for a solution. I am sure the current government, the way they are taking decisions, the way the country is looking forward, the way things are moving forward, I am sure the empowered group of ministers, they will look at these things much more holistically, and they will come out with the solution which will be in the interest of the country, which will be in the interest of armed forces, and which will be in the interest of this national strategic asset. With this, I would conclude my talk, and if there is any other point coming forward, I would be very happy to respond if I am given a chance.